Hi, I'm Gretchen Rivas with Relaxed Massage Therapy, and today we're going to talk about working the back muscles. For this, you will need a table, some oil, and some space. Whenever you're working on the back, you do want to use a little bit of oil. You can use anything you have at home. It doesn't have to be a specialty massage oil. You can use a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil. Anything that you can ingest, you can put on your skin safely. And what I'm doing with Kelly is I'm just going down the back through here. Nice flat hands, broad strokes, and then come up through the sides. And when you come up through here, you want to come around the scapula, which is the shoulder blade. And I always like to stroke on down the arm too, because you want that nice connecting feeling when you're working on somebody's back. And then back up through the neck. Another nice stroke you can do is spread your two fingers apart and go down either side of the spine and do long strokes and kind of follow one right after the other. That always feels really, really nice. And with her, what I'm doing is I'm getting right down here to the base of the spine and coming back up through here, okay? Then another thing you can do when you're working on the back, and this is to help save your hands so you don't wear out your hands too much. A lot of people will say, my hands get tired. So these are some things you can do when you're working on the back that you don't have to waste your hand strength on. So you can use your forearm and then just stroke up through. Now I'm not on the spine, I'm on the erectors right along the edge of the spine. And I'm just coming up through here and stroking all the way up around the scapula. She's a little tender in there. So check in. If they're flinching, then you probably hit a spot that needs a little bit of work on. You can go in there and work on that later, but lighten up your pressure if you need to. And then over the scapula, there are some muscles right there on top of it. You don't want to get on the bony prominences, but you want to you can use your fist through here, work this area. And then another thing that feels really good too is to come through the sides and stroke through and then around the shoulder and make some nice strokes through there. And then always finish off your back work. Some nice, soothing finishing strokes. And that's how you do back massage.